Hi and welcome to Timelessness. In this video I will tell you everything you should know about the Google Pixel 8 Pro. From where and when to buy it smarter and cheaper, unboxing, its design, best case for Pixel 8 Pro, move from Android to Pixel 8 Pro, move from iPhone to Pixel 8 Pro. Now if you check the Google Pixel website, you'll see that it doesn't give any discount at the moment, and it starts at 1099 euros. You can also check other websites like Amazon. It gives a very small discount. But what I want to say that usually you will receive a good amount of discount for Pixel products. Like here you'll see that Cyber Monday will start in one day. I received Noise voice cancelling headphones worth 350 euros for free when I bought my Pixel 6. And I bought my Pixel 7 Pro with a 150 euro bonus and a good discount. Let's check out its box. On the front side of the box you'll see the design of the cell phone, and on the left and right side of the box Google Pixel 8 Pro is written. On the top of the box you'll see some information about the manufacturer. Now let's open the box by removing the straps. Here is the Pixel 8 Pro and the USB-C to USB-C cable, USB-C to USB-A adapter, SIM tray, and quick guides. On the paper protector it shows where you should insert the SIM card, the position of on-display fingerprint, volume up and down buttons, and the power button. Let's remove the paper protector and check out the design of the phone. As it can be seen, there are three main changes in the design of Pixel 8 Pro in comparison to Pixel 7 Pro. The biggest change is the color and texture. The new Pixel 8 Pro has a matte black color while the Pixel 7 Pro has a glossy color. I like the new design much more because the fingerprints don't stick on the body of the device and it looks more beautiful. The second change is the camera array, that now the three lenses are not separate into two arrays. And the third difference is the new temperature sensor, which I think the least practical feature in Pixel 8 Pro. Overall, I love the design of Pixel 8 Pro with its beautiful matte black color. The front and back glass of the device are made with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and the body of it has aluminum frame. The volume and power buttons located on the right side of the phone, and the nano SIM card can be inserted from the left side of it. At the bottom of the phone there is a USB-C connector, a speaker, and a microphone. It is mentioned that the 6.7 inches display brightness can go up to 2400 nits peak. The camera layout is packed with 50 megapixel wide, 48 megapixel telephoto, and 48 megapixel ultra-wide lenses, and the front camera is 10.5 megapixel. I think when you buy a phone with premium materials that cost you more than $1,000, you should also protect it with premium case. That I suggest you using Bellroy leather case. Just look at the design of the box. It has a smooth premium leather wrap which is compatible with wireless charging, having soft microfiber protecting your phone. Let's open and check out the case. Here it is written how to insert the phone to avoid damaging the leather while inserting the Pixel. On the case at the right side there are volume and power buttons, and at the top there is a microphone cutout. Let's install it and check it out on the phone. I like the phone more with the case as it is not only protects all the edges of the phone but also gives the phone the premium look that it deserves. Let's turn on the phone and tap Get Started. Here you can choose between transferring your data from your previous phone, which can be Android or iOS. First I show you how to do it from Pixel or Android, and I tap on this option. It gives you a QR code that you should scan with your old phone. As soon as I open my previous phone, it detects setting up Pixel 8 Pro, and I choose setup and then scan the QR code, and they are starting the process. Then it asks for the password or your pattern to continue. It asks to download eSIM or skip, and since my SIM card is not eSIM, I choose to skip. In this step you can set up your fingerprints and then set up face unlock. Here you can choose copy data from your Android device and choose next. Here you can choose what to copy and check the list provided and then choose copy. Then scroll down and choose accept. Then it gives you some information about warranty and tap on next and continue setup and tap on agree. You can activate Google Pay or skip it for now. Now wait, copying will be done and getting your phone ready. If you are new to Pixel phones, now it shows you some hints and guidance on how to work with your new phone. All set. Now you can see both new and old phones are identical to each other. All the settings, apps, and even wallpaper. Now let's do the same to set up Pixel 8 Pro and copy our data to it from an iOS device like an iPhone. Now for moving from iOS, after turning on the device, choose iPhone or iPad. Then connect to the internet, sign in to your Google account, add phone number if you want, and then tap on agree. Insert a pin to your phone and then tap next and repeat it. Set up your fingerprints and then set up face unlock. Now in this step you can select copy data from iPhone or iPad. Tap next. Now you have to connect both devices via cable. Note that in this step you may need USB-C to USB-A adapter to connect the iPhone 14 devices and below. But for iPhone 15 and above, you can connect them with the USB-C to USB-C directly. After connecting the cable, unlock your iPhone and then tap Trust and insert the password of your iPhone. Here you can choose what to copy, select and tick from the list or select copy all and then select copy. You can also transfer WhatsApp chats in this step. You should scan the QR code with your iPhone and then tap start. It will start getting and transferring your chats. It again asks for your password on your iPhone and you can continue on your new phone and then on Pixel phone tap accept and then continue the last steps. You can set up Google Assistant now. You can put your card or skip it. Tap no thanks for the next steps. Now copying is done and shows what has been copied. Tap done and OK. And then for the new Pixel users, it shows how to work and navigate with the phone. All set, and here is your Pixel with all the settings and apps, even wallpaper of your iPhone.